In the heart of a dense and mystical forest, where sunbeams danced through the canopy of ancient trees, there lived a young girl named Elara. She was no ordinary child, for she had been gifted with the ability to communicate with animals. From the tiniest of insects to the mightiest of beasts, Elara could understand and speak their languages. Elara's gift was both a blessing and a burden. The other villagers, frightened by her extraordinary ability, kept their distance. Yet, Elara found solace in the company of the forest's inhabitants. They became her closest friends and confidants, each creature sharing its unique wisdom with her. One day, as Elara roamed the forest, she stumbled upon an injured fox. Its amber eyes glistened with pain, and its red fur was matted with dirt. Elara's heart ached with compassion, and she knew she had to help. Gently approaching the fox, Elara whispered soothing words of comfort. The fox seemed to understand, for it didn't shy away. With great care, she tended to its wounds, using herbs she had learned about from the wise elves. The fox watched her intently, a sense of gratitude evident in its eyes. From that day on, the fox, whom Elara named Felix, became her constant companion. They roamed the forest together, embarking on adventures and encountering a myriad of creatures along the way. Their bond was unbreakable, a testament to the power of compassion and friendship. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of pink and gold, Elara and Felix stumbled upon a hidden glade. At its center stood an ancient stone pedestal with an intricately carved key resting on top. Felix nudged Elara, as if urging her to take the key. Curiosity filled her heart, and Elara picked up the key, feeling its cool metal beneath her fingers. In that moment, a soft whisper echoed through the glade, revealing that the key was no ordinary one. It was the key to the enchanted grove, a realm of magical wonders hidden from ordinary sight. Guided by her intuition and the murmurs of the forest, Elara knew she had to unlock the secrets of the enchanted grove. With Felix by her side, she ventured deeper into the forest, the key unlocking the hidden pathway. As they stepped into the enchanted grove, a world of enchantment revealed. Glittering fireflies illuminated the night, casting a magical glow upon the forest floor. Gigantic mushrooms served as homes for fairies, their wings shimmering like rainbows. Elara and Felix marveled at the beauty around them, but soon they noticed that the enchanted grove was slowly losing its brilliance. The once lush foliage began to wither, and the fireflies' glow dimmed. Elara felt a pang of sadness, realizing that the enchanted grove was fading due to an imbalance in its magical energies. She knew she had to restore its harmony, just as she had healed Felix's wounds. With the guidance of the wise forest spirits, Elara learned that the grove's magical heart, a luminous crystal hidden deep within its core, had been fractured. To restore balance, Elara needed to find and mend the crystal. Together with Felix and the forest creatures, Elara embarked on a quest to find the crystal shards scattered throughout the enchanted grove. Each shard represented an essential element of nature: earth, air, water, and fire. Facing challenges and overcoming obstacles, Elara collected the crystal shards, her bond with the creatures of the forest growing stronger with each triumph. She mended the fractured heart of the enchanted grove, and once again magic bloomed within its boundaries. As a token of gratitude, the wise forest spirits gifted Elara with a pendant, a delicate crystal that glowed with the purest light. The pendant allowed Elara to amplify her gift, communicating not only with animals, but also with the magic of the enchanted grove. With newfound knowledge and abilities, Elara became the guardian of the enchanted grove, ensuring its magic would remain in harmony for generations to come. The villagers, once fearful of her gift, now admired her bravery and wisdom, seeking her guidance on matters concerning both nature and life. Elara's story echoed throughout the land, inspiring others to embrace their unique gifts and cherish the wonders of the natural world. And so, the young girl who could speak to animals became the guardian of the enchanted grove. A beacon of hope and magic, reminding all who knew her that within the heart of the forest, one could find the most extraordinary of adventures and the most profound of friendships.